This is student loan calculator, slide number 16, I think. Yep, slide 16. So, you have to figure out what your student loan you have to pay back every month because you took out loans while you're in college. And right here it tells you all the information you have to put in. So you're going to change the term to 20 years. And the interest rate is going to be 6%, and then you have to click the calculate button. So let's say you're like, oh, how much is the student loan? Well, you got to go all the way back to your first slide or second slide, and you find your card. So right here, middle school English teacher, they took out $40,000 in student loan debt. So $40,000. So I go back to this slide. And I click on student loan calculator, and I'm going to put 40,000, and then remember the loan term in years. If I go back to my project, it tells me 20 years. So they're going to give you 20 years to pay that off, which is 240 months, and then 6% interest. Now people are going to go, oh, this is the amount. No, you got to hit calculate. If you don't hit calculate, it does not do it. So see right here, total principal paid $40,000. This number should match this number, your loan amount. So you have to pay $286.57. Again, I'm okay if you round it to the nearest dollar, so $287 a month. Here's the scary thing. Look at the interest you pay. You pay $28,777 in interest. So you almost pay back as much as you borrow, double. You almost double it. So I would put that amount in. Now, the picture that you put in for this screen snip has to include all of this information, that whole card. So you take that picture, you put it in, so Control V, and there it is. Then you go to your spouses. You're going to do the same thing, so we click on that one. Now, how do you find out how much your spouse's was? You go back to your spouse card, and on the spouse card it tells you, so this one, 45,000. So I go back here, I have to do 45,000. Number of years, remember, is 20 years. 6%, I'm pretty sure. Let's make sure. So yeah, 6%. So I always love when people turn it in with $96. No, you didn't change. See, that's on $5,000. You gotta hit calculate. So 322. So those people that are like 450,000 in student loan debts, those doctors and stuff, their monthly payment is $3,223. Look at how much interest they pay. It's crazy how much. So, student loans, take those in, take a picture, insert it in. Remember to look up your student loan debt, hit calculate, and you put it into slide number 16 and 17. Alright. Next one will be seeing if we have enough money to pay for everything. Some of you guys might have to redo some of this stuff.